Hi there and welcome to EyeSpy360. Today, I'm going to show you how to use your iPhone or iPad to upload your 360 images straight to the EyeSpy360 platform. Head to EyeSpy360.com/eXp, then tap the three lines in the top right of the screen and choose Login. Enter your registered email and password and click Login. Let's start by tapping on Create New Tour. Give your tour a name, perhaps the property address or relevant ID. Then tap Proceed. Now tap Browse Files, followed by Photo Library. Tap and select all the relevant 360 images you want to use in your virtual tour. Now tap Add. Your device is now uploading your 360 images to EyeSpy360's cloud platform. This may take anywhere from a few seconds to a couple of minutes dependent on how many images you're uploading and your data connection speed. Once that's complete, we're ready to submit the images for processing. Tap the wizard icon as shown. Make sure the correct lens height is showing, as discussed in our best practice guide. Once you're happy, click on Pay with Account Balance. And that's all there is to it. Your images will now be transformed into a stunning virtual tour, 3D model and floor plan. Now let me show you how to create a home screen button to make your next jog even easier. Note this will only work on the Safari browser. Tap on the share icon as shown and now choose Add to Home Screen. Give the app a name and choose Add. And that's it. It really is that simple.